In today's video, we'll be taking a look at how to install Netscape Navigator 9.0.0.6 on the Chromebook. Now, I would like to say two things before we get started. First of all, I am truly very sorry that I have not uploaded to GitHub in a month, or over a month if you like to say. I'm truly very sorry. I could not tell you because we do not have that community tab, so please hit that subscribe button. We could get to 500 subscribers or even 1k subscribers. Look at that prospect. I could tell you everything in the YouTube community tab and you would just get all of the updates as well. Furthermore, if you get me to 100k, I get the silver YouTube button, and that'll be all thanks to you people who watch my videos. So please press that subscribe button. Oh yeah, and one more thing. Warning, whatever you're gonna see is very cool indeed, very cool, but it could seriously mess up your Linux folder. Let me tell you why, quickly. So, if you had previous Linux apps that you installed, or installed after you followed this tutorial, there are some bugs in it, and it does not work fully. It does work fully, I mean that it could, have this bug at any time, so please keep that in mind. When I tried it out in one of my videos, remember, Netscape Navigator 9 on the Chromebook, I had to then reset my Linux shell on my Chromebook because it kind of got too buggy, so yeah, please keep that in mind. But yeah, we're gonna go to this blog by Linux Made Simple. I'm not sponsored by him, but shout out to him for giving us this command list to do what we need to do, install Netscape Navigator, because we need to install the Windows version. Because unfortunately the Linux version and the Linux version I could not kind of obtain off the internet, so we're gonna do the Windows version. Oh yeah, and he's also called ChromeOS Made Simple on YouTube, and you should watch his tutorials for more of these because they're really cool. Okay, so first of all, I think you might have to have a certain CPU on your Chromebook, like Intel or AMD. So yeah, this will install Wine 6.0, which is why we can do this. And first of all, you just want to run these commands, okay? And then he's also got a YouTube video down here, so if some of the commands you do not know about, like, I would recommend you go into video and see what he does with Wine SCFG, and yeah, what he does with the new file section that gets installed, I think, with this Nemo command. So yeah, I think you should look into his video for more about that, but I can tell you verbally. Basically, just do all of these commands. Do this command, do that command, do the Wine CFG command, do pip sudo apt install Nemo. When you get here, don't run this command yet. Instead, get your exe Netscape Navigator installation, your exe package, put it into your Linux folder, or you can rename it package.exe over there, package.exe over there, and then run this, or you could replace this package.exe with the name of the installation, with the name of the file installation thingy, and then just run that. And then after when you run that, then I think that will install, and then you just want to run this command, then open up the new files app that was installed into your Linux folder. Then you want to show all hidden folders, go to .wine directory, and then, you know, go to like C underscore drive, and if I'm not telling you this properly, it will definitely be in the video. So it'll be in the C underscore drive, and then it'll just be like Windows. Go into program files, and then go into the program file like Netscape Navigator, and then right click on the netscape.exe or whatever it's called. Right click on that, and then tell it to run with Wine Windows Program Loader. You're going to have to do this every single time, unfortunately, but it is worth it. And yeah, you should also, and yeah, you can also get other things such as XChat and use IRC with Discord and stuff, you know. So you can kind of live nostalgia as well and do backwards compatibility with everything, and that's quite cool. Okay, so yeah, that's it really. That's how to install Netscape Navigator 9.0.0.6 on the Chromebook. Shout out to ChromeOS Made Simple / Linux Made Simple for this, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please share this video with family and friends, and like and subscribe. That would help out a lot, as I said at the beginning of the video. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video.